Greetings to everyone. This is your host Ash Khan and you are watching Consumer Pakistan News Channel. In today's bulletin, demise of Seth Abid Hussain. On Friday, renowned Pakistani industrialist and social figure Seth Abid Hussain passed away in Karachi. Prime Minister Imran Khan expressed grief over the death of renowned industrialist Seth Abid Hussain. Saddened to learn of the passing of Seth Abid Hussain, the Prime Minister said on Twitter. He said late Seth Abid was one of the early donors of Shaukat Khanum Memorial Hospital. He conveyed his condolences for the bereaved family and prayed for strength to them to bear the loss. Seth Abid Hussain was one of Pakistan's first richest person, died after a short battle with an illness. He hailed from Kasur and his father was a big name in Karachi's Sarafa market. He was said to be among the 30 richest persons of the country. Besides running various businesses successfully, he had also launched various charity projects. Meanwhile, Punjab Chief Minister Usman Buzdar expressed grief over the death of businessman and extended his condolences to his family. Italy's new economic mission to be deployed in Pakistan. Andreas Ferrarese, the ambassador of Italy to Pakistan, said that the new economic mission would be deployed in Pakistan to further promote bilateral trade and economic cooperation in different potential areas. Initially, the new economic mission would be established in major cities of Pakistan, including Karachi and Islamabad, and later it would be expanded to other potential trade hubs to increase the economic and trade integration between Pakistan and Italy. He said that there was a huge trade potential in different sectors of economy which needed to be explored, and in this regard both sides were engaged in the dialogue process through the Pak-Italy Joint Economic Commission was the forum for bilateral economic engagement and was expected to meet in Rome. The ambassador said that currently Italy was providing technical assistance in agriculture and textile upgradation through modern machinery, value addition in agriculture, leather and marble sectors. The senior diplomat said that Italy was committed to extend the cooperation of a diverse potential sector to enhance the bilateral economic and cooperation between Pakistan and Italy. Prime Minister's gift for Karachi. Imran Ismail, Sindh Governor, has said that 50 state-of-the-art fire tenders and 2 Bowsers were New Year's gifts for the people of Karachi from Prime Minister Imran Khan. Governor Sindh Imran Ismail said worth of modern fire tenders and Bowsers was rupees 1.40 billion. He said they wished that Prime Minister Imran Khan should personally hand over these fire tenders to the fire department of KMC after clearance from the customs. The governor said KMC has only 11 fire tenders in working condition in 26 fire stations in the city at present, while 33 out of 44 fire tenders are out of order. Talking to media on the occasion, the Governor Sindh said such a large number of fire tenders have never been procured. He said each of the 9 industrial associations will be given 2 fire tenders, while Selani and Chipa will also be given fire tenders. He further said the entities to which these fire tenders would be entrusted would also be responsible for the maintenance and water availability of these fire tenders, while maintenance for 3 years of these fire tenders would be made possibly by the federal government through supplier of the fire tenders. 20 pharmacies sealed by ICT. Around 20 pharmacies and medical stores were sealed by Islamabad Capital Territory Health Department over violation of Drugs Act 1976 during the year 2020. The health team seized stock of 23 firms while conducting as many as 602 inspections during the same period. The authorities had taken out 18 samples of suspected drugs for analysis and declared 2 spurious, whereas 2 found substandard. Sardar Shabbir Ahmed, Drugs Quality Control Board Secretary, said that the department had lodged FIR against 2 persons involved in selling these drugs. Sharing details, he said around 148 complaints received through Prime Minister's Performance Delivery Unit were resolved during the last year. 12 coronavirus vaccination centers to be established in Islamabad by government. 12 coronavirus vaccination counters in Islamabad to be set up by the federal government as part of the vaccination drive in the country. The counters will be established both in health centers in the rural areas and in Islamabad's federally administered hospitals to facilitate citizens. The vaccination counters will be set up at following medical facilities: Pakistan Institute of Medical Sciences, Polyclinic, Federal General Hospital, National Institute of Rehabilitation Medicine, Social Security Hospital, Rawat Hospital. Every vaccination counter will have a 3-member health team supervised by the Ministry of National Health Services Regulation and Coordination. The expanded program on immunization and National Database and Registration Authority experts have started a special training session of the staff before launching the vaccination drive. Thank you for watching Consumer Pakistan News Channel. This is I, Ash Khan. See you in the next bulletin. Until then, take care and goodbye.